In this video, you will be learning about key signatures. Now, key signatures can either be made with sharps or flats. The order of sharps is fat, cats, get, drowsy, after, eating, birds. The order of flats is the order of sharps, but backwards. Or bead, greatest common factor. This is what the sharp keys look like on the staff. This is what the flats look like on the staff. To find the major key signature, there are two different rules. The rule for keys that have sharps in it is to count the amount of sharps, match them up with the name of the sharps, go to the last sharp in the key signature, and then go to the next note in the alphabet. Here's an example. In this key, there is one sharp. This means that it is the F sharp. So we're going to go to the next note in the musical alphabet, which is G. This means that this key right here is G major. Let's try this key. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sharps. This means that the last sharp is the E sharp. So we're going to go to the next key, the next letter in the musical alphabet, which is F. However, this is a special rule. Since F already has a sharp in the key, this is the F sharp, this key, instead of being F major, is actually F sharp major. So if the name of the key has a sharp within the key itself, like any of these right here, then the name of the key also has a sharp. Next, we're going to do major key signatures, but for flats. The rule for flats is different. You're also going to use the order of flats, which is B, E, A, D, G, C, F. The rule for flats is you're going to go to the second to last or penultimate flat, and that is the name of the key. So almost every single flat key, except for one, is going to be some letter flat major. So there's going to be a flat within the key signature. Let's try an example. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats. Let's go to our alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last flat is G. The second to last flat is D flat, which means that our key is D flat major. There are two exceptions to the rule. Number 1, the key with no sharps or flats. It looks like this. This key is known as C major. The way that I remember that C major has no sharps or flats is because in C major you can't see any sharps or flats. That's why I drew an I, because you can't see any. The second exception is if there's only one flat, which means that you can't look at the second to last flat because there's only one. If there's one flat, the first flat is B. The order of sharps goes B, E, A, D, G, C, F. But just like the musical alphabet, it continues. So after F, you would start over again at B, which means that technically the second to last flat, if there's one flat, would be F. Another way to remember this is there's only one flat in the key signature, and flat starts with the letter F, so this key is F major.